Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And right now Bitcoin at $39,297, looking quite good at the moment. Bitcoin is at resistance on the BTC-TA1 chart. We could see that we are getting a bit of a wick right now. If we do close above it and then retest that support, we could maybe see 42,000, climb as high as there. Again, we want to look at the BTC-TA2 chart as well. We got to get over 39,600. It's proven to be resistance multiple times, as we can see right here. Resistance before breaking out, coming back down, retest it as resistance, and then coming down to 37,200. So now we're back up to 39,400. And yeah, overall, if we do break up, we could still see some significant resistance at 42,000. So always look at those levels, guys. Again, taking a look at the DXY right here as well. DXY did break above this white trend line. As you can see, we are starting to come down a little bit right now on the 4-hour. Daily time frame significantly overbought as well. So a pullback should be very bullish for Bitcoin as well. But we're just gonna have to see what happens. In my opinion, DXY looks like it's about to roll over. You can see that on the daily time frame, we might get a little bit of a dip, coming back down to maybe 96, 97. Red dot on the daily time frame. 12-hour, we already had that red dot back here. Now we're starting to come down, significantly increasing bearish numbers on the DBSI. So you guys can use this for Bitcoin, DXY, gold, whatever. It works for almost anything. And let's just go back to Bitcoin right here on the 12-hour, as we can see. So yesterday I talked about a big theory that I had, or I don't know if it's a theory, maybe someone's already talked about this, but basically, if you guys want to take a look at the video yesterday, I basically explained that I expect the Bitcoin price to start to potentially, not exactly, but potentially bottom around April 4th. Maybe a 50% decline in the price. Obviously, this is a very big gamble, lots of speculation. I bet some money on this to potentially happen, but we're just gonna have to see what happens. If you guys want a more detailed explanation, the first 3 minutes of the video yesterday clearly explains what I expect to happen. So if you guys want a more detailed explanation, go check out the video from yesterday. And leave a like if you enjoy it. Right now, gold pushing higher, almost reaching the all-time highs at $2,075. We reached 2060. No, we reached 2070 today, so $5 off, or 80 cents. So about $4.20 off the all-time highs. Getting quite close. We are significantly overbought on the daily time frame. As we can see, the daily time the RSI is some very high levels at the moment. Weekly time frame getting quite high as well, but we're just gonna have to see what happens. As you know, in a bull market rally for commodities and gold, you can see that the weekly can stay above here for quite a long time before starting to come down. Anyways, let's keep on doing our analysis. If gold keeps pushing up, this could push Bitcoin down, but again, you do have an inverse correlation, but it's not always one-to-one. You could see that today gold had a nice rally and Bitcoin started to come up as well. So it's not always one-to-one, guys. Anyways, moving on, let's take a look at a couple of our stocks before we continue our crypto analysis. I like to mix it up a little, but yeah, just to show you guys what kind of analysis you're going to get in the Discord. As we can see, our Newmont position significantly in profit now. We entered it at 67.30, now pushing 48% profit. We were 55% in profit when we reached a new all-time high on Newmont at 103, but now we're coming back down to $99.84. AEM as well, beautiful pattern right here. We entered in at $61.50, so around this area right here, and then we're now in profit of over 27%. So if you guys want to join the Discord, not only will you get crypto analysis, but you will also get stock analysis and what is in my portfolio at the moment, which is all accessible on the Google Sheet for you guys who are in the Discord and haven't figured it out. But yeah, moving on, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum coming to some resistance at the moment. If we get over this, we're going to see 28.84 or 28.90 act as a resistance. Right now, 26.24, and let's take a look right here. Oh, I guess you could outline it right there. 25.76 is acting as resistance, but if we start to come back down, you're going to see 2400 and 2300 act as significant support as well. So not to worry, if we do drop, we still have a lot of support coming in at the bottom. But again, in the coming months, I expect Bitcoin to start to come down. You guys can take a look at the 4-day chart on Market Cipher. Not the 4-day chart, the daily time, not the daily time frame, 4-day time frame. It's starting to come down. We did get that red diamond on the 3-day. The 2-day actually has a more recent red diamond and a 23 and a -5 pushing down. But we're gonna have to see what happens. If we do start to come down, that's okay, because we're still holding our put options for that expire in June. But yeah, overall, not the most bullish on Bitcoin. And anyways, if we do drop, you guys should be happy, because we're gonna have some really cheap Bitcoin to come anyways. So it's a good place to start to scoop up some very cheap Bitcoin. And right now, monthly time frame right here, MACD starting to, you know, curl downwards. RSI starting to come down as well. And the weekly time frame, again, we got rejected, and this candle is quite bearish in my opinion. If we start to come up, we're still going to see a lot of resistance at 44,000, which comes in line on our hash ribbons right here as well. There you go, perfect resistance. If you guys would have shorted here, you would have made a good amount of money, come down to 34,000. Long from there, you'd come up to 44,000 once again. Another great point to short, and now we're coming back down. But for the time being, if we do get another pump up, we still have a lot of resistance at 44,000. I think Crypto's also he also posted a quite bullish pattern for Bitcoin as well. I believe. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. This chart's a little messy. Let's just switch over to another Bitcoin chart to show you guys quickly right here. There we go. So if we take a look at the 4-hour, looks like Bitcoin could be in an ascending triangle right now. I'm not sure how he drew it. I think he didn't count those wicks. But overall, if we do start to break out, we still have a lot of resistance at 45,000 to 44,000. So in my opinion, I don't think we're gonna break out, but obviously there's a lot of different opinions in the Discord. Some people think this is extremely bullish. They're taking into account order flow in the order book and where the big buy walls are, which is around 34,000 anyways. So they don't think we're going to break this level. But again, when the majority thinks something's not going to happen, it could happen, and then everyone gets wrecked. The majority of the time, everyone gets wrecked anyways. So we're just going to have to see what happens. Time will tell if I'm right. If I'm right, then it looks like my theory is going to work out. Anyways, if you guys want to join the Discord, it would be awesome to support the channel. I'm pretty tired right now. I'm going to get some rest, and I'll create the charts for everyone tomorrow in the Discord as well. So if you guys have any more charts you want to post in the Discord, want me to create for you, post it tonight. Peace.